Hi, Jessica. We're back. Wait. Joshua. Not the same people that were in that other video about the tug of war. This is a completely different Joshua and Jessica. Anyway, so she's doing great. We are just, remember, I don't have the sound thing on her. I'm getting ready to go dead, but we're incorporating our pager into everything. Commonality between all handlers and commonality between all environments. So I'm not saying to myself, let me try to see if I can get her to do without it. Look, it did it without it. Nothing like that. Luna, I lifted her up there. Look back before I did the paper. Down. So we're still defining heel. Part of a little bit what's going against us is you guys have had it so loosely defined, that we've got to refine it from there. But again, we're not looking for perfection at this stage. Good. So you can see I'm going to lift her up with the pager. Luna. Good. Heel. I kept holding it down right there. My leash forward. Down. Wonderful. I'm cueing that down with the pager. She already naturally kind of goes on your hip. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Good. Luna. Good. Luna. Good. Tightening that leash up right there. I loosened it up. I'm going to push her down. You see her hip? Down. And that's partly why we want to do this with the no sit. Because what happened when I set it down and did the pager, her head started dropping. If you do sit first, their rear end starts dropping. All right, watch. I'm going to lift her up with the pager. Luna! That tree was stuck in her mouth or something. Heel. Heel. Saw what I did right there though. Instead of tightening up the leash, down. Under. And that was my fault. I should have moved a little more quickly. She saw my foot coming in there. She did go down. Good. Luna. Good. Down. All right, guys, we'll update soon.